Okay, guys, this should be the fourth and final video in our main idea assignment for today. We've read through our Sea Otter article and we practiced finding the main idea of each small section. Then we put those small sections together to make one main idea for the whole text. I kind of led you through that. I read it for you and I explained my thinking. I showed you what I highlighted. I showed you my sticky notes. Now I want you to take that video example and kind of apply it to what you're going to do on your own. In this Scholastic website, there are two more stories. There's Bad Bounce, and there is a second story that you could read, which is titled Shooting for the Stars. You get to choose either of those two stories. You'll read it, and then you will come up with the main idea of each section. So if I was doing Shooting for the Stars, I would read the introduction, then I would read STEM power. You could use the highlight tool to highlight things that you want to highlight. You could use the sticky note tool to insert a sticky note for your main idea. But you would write the main idea of STEM power. You would write the main idea of the next section, which would be giving back, and then the main idea for the last section, ready for liftoff. And then you would give me a main idea of what the whole story, Shooting for the Stars, was about. So you can do Shooting for the Stars or you can do Bouncing Back, either story. It's up to you. You can record yourself doing a video just like this. I'm using a program called Screencastify. You can Google it and add it to your Chromebook. It's really easy to use. They even give you a 2-minute video tutorial on how to make the videos. So you can use Screencastify just like I'm doing. You can read it and kind of take notes on a piece of paper and then just use your camera on your Chromebook to make a video of yourself. You can put your main ideas into a slideshow and share that with me. You can put it in a Google Doc and share that with me. How you do it is really up to you. There are several different options, but I want you practicing finding the main idea. So pick a story, either Bouncing Back or Shooting for the Stars, read it, come up with the main idea of each section, and then the main idea of the whole text. So whether you do a Google Doc, whether you do a Google Slides, whether it's Screencastify, just like I did here with sticky notes and highlighting, or whatever method you want to use, I just want to make sure that I'm either hearing your main ideas or I'm able to read them somewhere. And you should have a total of 4 main ideas, one for each small section in your text. And then the last one should be for the overall whole main idea of the text. If you have any questions, you can send me a private comment on your reading checklist. Your parents can email me. We can Zoom and help each other if we need to. But Screencastify is the program I use to make these videos. It is a program you can put on your on your Chromebook. You just go to Google, type it in, and add the extension to your Chromebook, and you can use it no problem. So again, if you need help, if you have questions, don't hesitate to reach out and ask. The reading is going to be up to you, so just choose which story you want to do and practice finding that main idea. I look forward to seeing what you came up with. Good luck, guys.